What's the meaning of broad-mindedness? Broad-mindedness. Broad-mindedness.
Broad-mindedness. Broad-mindedness. Broad-mindedness refers to the quality of having an open and tolerant attitude towards different ideas, beliefs, and worldviews. It involves being willing to consider and accept perspectives that differ from one's own without judgment or prejudice. This trait is associated with a range of positive outcomes, such as better social relationships, increased empathy and understanding, improved creativity, and a greater sense of personal growth and fulfillment. By cultivating broad-mindedness, individuals can broaden their horizons, expand their knowledge and experiences, and connect more deeply with others from diverse backgrounds. Additionally, they can contribute to creating a more inclusive and harmonious society where differences are celebrated rather than feared.